Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a BullX account step by step so you can start trading in no time. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so to begin you can either search for BullX inside Google or simply click the first link in the description below, and that's my referral link so you can unlock your 10% lifetime discount on trading fees. So if you're interested in that, click on the link. Alright, so if you use my link in the description below, simply click onto it, then it'll open up a new web page where it'll take you straight into side Telegram. Alright, so once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on the start button like so, and then it'll say welcome to BullX, please set a Telegram username to access this bot. So set your username and then start to continue. So I'm just going to put in tut.wiz, then start like so. Then it'll say welcome to BullX, set your username and start to continue. Then from here we want to click onto the three horizontal bars here and then click into settings, and then where it says add username, go ahead and click on add username. So I'm going to change this to tut.wiz and then click save. And now I'm going to go ahead and press start like so. And then it will say you are currently number such and such on the waitlist for early access. We'll notify you, rah. If you have an access code, please paste the link in below. So to get the link, go to the description in this video. And here's the Bull access code here. So just simply copy this, Control C. Now head back to Telegram, paste that code in, and then hit enter. Then it'll say congratulations, your access code has been redeemed. And you've got also access granted to BullX Turbo as well. And now simply log in. So go ahead and click on that login button. Then also open this link. Click open again. And then it's going to bring you to this page. Now this is the home page of BullX.io. And now once you're here, you need to go ahead and connect a wallet. So to do that, go on the left hand side of the page. We'll say BullX, go to wallet manager. And you've got to connect a wallet here. So it will say wallets, etc. So I'll put a link in the description below how to connect a wallet to BullX, and in particular I'm going to show you how to connect the Phantom wallet, and also I'll show you how to fund your BullX trading bot as well with another video in the description below.